7 weight loss vegetable soups you should eat regularly to lose weight. If you love soup and want to lose weight, we've got something special for you. In this video, we are going to share with you 7 incredibly delicious and nutritious vegetable soups that you can prepare regularly to help you lose weight. We will share 7 different recipes and show you how to prepare each one of them. Enjoy! Vegetable soups are hearty and nutritious dishes that can take the place of entire meals. Because they are relatively low in calories, they are an incredible addition to any weight loss plan. In fact, according to a study completed by the researchers from the Nutrition Department of the Pennsylvania State University in 1999, consuming soup helps you lose weight even more significantly because it reduces your subsequent calorie intake. So, replacing more of your meals with healthful soups will definitely help you achieve your weight loss goals. Here are 7 weight loss vegetable soups you should eat regularly to shed off your excess pounds quickly but healthily. 1. Kale and bean soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1/2 onion chopped, 1/2 leek sliced, 1 stalk celery chopped, 1/4 teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 can cannellini beans drained, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 small bunch kale torn, grated Parmesan, optional. Procedure: in a pot, heat olive oil. Add garlic, onion, leek, celery, thyme, salt, and pepper. Sauté until aromatic and celery has softened slightly. Pour in vegetable broth and beans. Simmer for approximately 15 minutes. Add in lemon juice and kale. Remove from heat when kale is wilted. Enjoy on its own or topped with grated Parmesan cheese. 2. Cabbage and roasted tomato soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 clove garlic minced, 1/2 onion chopped, 1 carrot chopped, 1 stalk celery chopped, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 can white beans drained, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 cup water, 1/4 head cabbage chopped, 1 can fire-roasted tomatoes chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley chopped, optional. Procedure: in a large pot, heat olive oil. Add in garlic, onion, carrot, and celery. Sauté until celery is slightly softened. Season with chili powder, salt, and pepper. Add in beans and thyme. Pour in broth and water. Simmer for 15 minutes. Add in cabbage and tomatoes. Remove from heat when cabbage is wilted. Enjoy on its own or topped with fresh parsley. 3. Carrot and cilantro soup. Ingredients: 1 pound carrot chopped, 2 tablespoons olive oil divided, 1/2 teaspoon ground cilantro, salt and pepper to taste, 1 clove garlic minced, 1/2 onion chopped, 1/2 jalapeno seeded and chopped, 3 cups vegetable broth, 1 handful fresh cilantro leaves. Procedure: toss carrots with half the olive oil, ground cilantro, salt, and pepper. Spread onto a baking sheet. Roast carrots for 30 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, remove carrots from heat and set aside. In a pot, heat remaining olive oil. Add garlic, onion, and jalapeno. Sauté until onion is translucent. Pour in broth, fresh cilantro leaves, and roasted carrots. Bring to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes. Enjoy as is or blend until smooth. 4. Split pea and mixed vegetables soup. Ingredients: 1 cup split peas washed and drained, 1/2 onion chopped, 1 carrot chopped, 1 stalk celery chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder, 3 cups chicken broth, 1 ham bone, salt and pepper to taste. Procedure: combine all ingredients in a slow cooker. Set on high and cook for 5 hours. Remove ham bone and enjoy. 5. Creamy spinach and potato soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic chopped, 1/2 onion chopped, 1/2 bunch green onions chopped, 1 russet potato chopped, 1/2 pound spinach leaves, 2 cups chicken broth, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup heavy cream. Optionally, 1 baguette. Procedure: in a pot, heat oil. Add garlic, onion, and green onions and sauté until slightly softened. Add potato and spinach. Pour in broth and bring to a boil. Simmer until all potatoes are thoroughly cooked. Season with salt and pepper. Blend soup until smooth. Add in heavy cream and enjoy on its own or with a slice of baguette. 6. Hearty quinoa and kale soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1/2 onion chopped, 1 carrot chopped, 1 stalk celery chopped, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 small zucchini chopped, 1 can cannellini beans drained, 4 cups chicken broth, 1/2 cup quinoa, 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 bunch kale thinly sliced, salt and pepper to taste, lemon wedges optional. Procedure: in a pot, heat olive oil, add garlic, onion, carrot, and celery. Sauté until vegetables are slightly tender. Add tomatoes, zucchini, and beans. Pour in broth and bring to a boil before lowering the heat to achieve a steady simmer. Add quinoa and ground cumin. Simmer for about 15 minutes. Add kale and season with salt and pepper. Remove from heat when kale is wilted. Enjoy on its own or topped with some lemon juice. 7. Creamy pumpkin soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 cloves garlic minced, 1/2 onion chopped, 2 pounds pumpkin peeled and chopped, 2 cups chicken broth, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup heavy cream. Procedure: in a pot, heat oil. Add garlic and onion. Sauté until aromatic and tender. Add pumpkin and sauté for 2 minutes. Pour in chicken broth and bring to a boil before lowering heat. Season with salt and pepper. Simmer for 30 minutes or until pumpkin is thoroughly cooked. Blend until smooth. Add in heavy cream and enjoy. These 7 weight loss vegetable soups you should eat regularly to lose weight are filled with nutritious ingredients guaranteed to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Plus, they all have high water content, which will further help you in your quest to lose weight. The best part is that these hearty meals won't make you feel starved and deprived as typical diet plans would. So you get to lose weight while feeling full and satisfied with the food you eat. Following is the study reference we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.